Hello everyone, welcome back again to the video or tutorial. So this is a very simple tutorial that I know you can do either in the salon or do at home yourself. So I advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step. And please subscribe if you haven't, share it to friends and family, give the video a big thumbs up, and also leave a comment like any questions you have concerning this particular hairstyle, because I've been filming this hairstyle back to back. So I really want you guys to understand the techniques and also understand the method on how to install and style the hair. So in this video you are going to be learning how to properly install the hair and also how to maintain the hair. So yeah, for this video I'm going to be using this hair from my braided wig, which was sent to me, and inside the bag I found a crochet pin, a bonnet, which I love because of the color is black, and then I found this cap and also bundles of the hair. So they sent me 2 bundles of the Burmese coily crochet soft feathered crochet hair. They sent me their 22 inches, which was enough for full head. So they sent like 2 bundles, like I said before. So all the details of the hair will be in the description box below. It was very easy to place an order, and then it came really fast. The hair itself is so lush, like really soft, no funny smell, and it doesn't shade at all, and it's tangle free. Like, I love the texture of the hair, you guys. I would just advise you to just check the description box so that you can see the link to where you can buy the hair. So back to making the hair, I'm just going to start by box braiding the hair. That's the root of the hair first, just to grip the root, and then we'll go ahead to add the extension. So on one particular cornrow or on one particular box braid, I'm going to be adding like 3 different extensions to it. So while adding the first extension, I'm just going to add only one part of it. You know, when you want to add an extension, you have like 2 different tips. So I'm just going to be adding just one tip and then box braiding alongside with her natural hair the other tip of the hair. So I will go ahead to box braid for like about 4 times, like crossing the hair about 4 times, and then I'm going to release the second extension that I added. That's the second tip of the extension. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain or what I'm saying. And then after releasing the second extension tip or the second tip extension, I'm just going to go ahead to box braid for like about 2 or 3 times, and then I'm going to take another extension, repeating the same method. And while taking the extension, I'm just going to add just one side of the tip and then release the other side, then box braid for like 4 to 5 times and then release the second tip. Then for the tip of the hair to have this coily look, I'm just going to go ahead to add another extension to the tip of the hair and then box braid it down. That's completely box braid her natural hair. When I get to the very last end of her natural hair, I'm just going to release the extension. But you can go ahead to tie a knot, especially if the person's hair is relaxed. But for this hair, her hair is natural, so I'm not going to be tying a knot. So the reason why you tie a knot is just to secure it in place, so just so that it doesn't loosen. So but for the fact that my client's hair is natural, I'm not going to be tying any knots. I'm just going to release the hair like that, just so that when she wants to loosen the hair, it will be very easy for her to loosen. She will not need to, struggle or take her hair to the salon to loosen the hair. So she can just stay at home and just loosen her hair. Easy peasy. So like I said before, I'm going to be using like about 3 different extensions on one particular box braid, just to make it have that fuller texture, just for it to have that volume and full nature. But if you want, you can do 2 extensions on one box braid. Just depends on how full you want the hair to look. But for this, my client, she really wants it to be really full, so that's why we're doing like 3 different extensions. Alright, at this point I'm just going to continue repeating the same thing on every part of our hair. And while I'm box braiding, I'm adding extension, repeating the same thing until I'm done. So I'm just going to allow you guys just watch the video, watch to understand the process. And there are two different ways to actually install this hair. You can either do the crochet method or you do this particular method, so it depends on which one is convenient for you. But if you want to see the crochet method, you can also check the description box. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below.
Drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red from blonde, yeah, bitch, I'm drastic. Why this? Why that? Lip stop asking. Listen to me, baby, relax and start passing. Expressway, head back, weaving through the traffic. This one strong should be labeled as a hazard. Some of y'all niggas hot psych, I'm gassing. Clowns, I spot them and I can't stop laughing. Easy come, easy go, Evie gon' be lasting. Jealousy, let it go, results could be tragic. Some of y'all ain't writing well, too concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle, can't walk and imagine. A lot of y'all Hollywood drama, cast it, cut bitch camera off, real shit blasted.
I had to give you, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot put up, and I ain't gonna wait. It's gonna go out and get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that good shit I'm getting, now let me blow your mind. I had to give you, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot put up, and I ain't gonna wait. It's gonna go out and get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that good shit I'm getting, now let me blow your mind.
Baby, look what you done started. Fuck you in the shower, for the counter we got up shit. Put it on you tonight. You know that it's on time. I'm the reason you keep coming back, girl, you fading. I'm addicted to the way you ride it when you're screaming. Trying to touch your soul when I'm all in it, can you feel me? You gon' see me, baby. I don't care where it's at. Baby, I want you to scream. But not in a bad way. But you the bitter late. I'ma take you to a new place. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I ain't talking about a nightmare. And I've been waiting all day. So don't hold back, babe. Baby, I want you to dream. You gon' see me, baby, when I make you dream. Body dripping, I'ma start licking. Wanna taste all of your flavors. New position, yeah, baby, listen. We waking up all the neighbors.
So after installing the hair, this is what it looks like. This is what the extension looks like. So I'm going to be applying leave-in conditioner and water, and I'm going to be applying it on one side of the head, just for you guys to see the difference between when the hair is damp, or when you apply leave-in conditioner and when you do not apply leave-in conditioner. You guys, I just want you guys to see the difference and to see the texture of the hair and also the quality of the hair. So we'll go ahead to brush it before styling. So you can leave a comment in the comment section just to let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer it with a leave-in conditioner and water, or you prefer it dry? So just let me know in the comment section below. Let's just get chatting. Alright, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. We'll just go ahead to style the hair, just to show you guys the different ways that you can style the hair. We'll talk to you guys in the next video.